The music app provides a lot of different ways to start listening. On the iPad right now, I'm in Albums view, and on the iPhone, we're in Songs view. Tap the play button at the top of either screen, and the first song in each view is going to begin and play back in the order that's displayed. So we go straight down the songs list on the iPhone as I tap the Next button. On the iPad, we go through the songs in the Aerosmith album and then onto the Alabama album. The shuffle button is essentially also a play button. With the music stopped, if I tap shuffle, a song in the current view is going to start playing. And after that, we get a random order. From a playlist or within an album, tap on the play or shuffle buttons to start listening to only the songs in that album or playlist. We can also tap and hold on any album, playlist, or song to begin playing it. At all times, the play, pause button, and the next song button are at the bottom of the display. Tap on the song name or album artwork to bring up the full playback panel. In here, we get a large view of the artwork for the current track. Below that, we have the song title and artist name. We can tap and drag on the playhead to jump to an exact spot in the song. There's now a back button along with the play, pause, and next or forward button. Single tap to jump to the next or previous song. Tap and hold to forward or reverse through the track. The longer I hold, the faster the playhead will move. Below that, we have the volume slider and then 3 buttons. First here is the lyrics button, which is going to be grayed out unless the song has its lyrics stored with the file. Those with an Apple Music subscription will have lyrics available for most songs. In the center here is the audio output controls, and to the right is the Up Next button. We'll go over both of these in their own lessons. Tap the ellipsis button here for several more options. The View Album button is one I use quite a bit if a song comes on that reminds me of other songs that I like in that album. With a quick tap, I can jump from this Best of Petty playlist to the Last DJ album. Up next is Up Next.